valamit olyasmit, hogy megyünk meccset nézni, és ott lesz a Csak már mi is legyünk ott. Szőlőször. Már ilyen elhitatlan.
Okay.
Judo passare.
The exact price about 10 euros, and I don't think we have to pay yearly because the registration fee.
I discuss with our colleague, and it's certainly we must pay 10 euro per year.
We guarantee that we pay the.
Okay. How many years do you want to maintain this for payment? This domain. How many years do you want to pay for this domain?
Lifelong. Lifelong. Till I'm living.
Lifelong, it's
At least 5.
ideal.
At least 10 years. I can guarantee.
But
For 10 years, it's for sure.
are you sure? 10 euro.
10 euros. It's a beer in
For,
France.
for every year. Okay, we are two from Romania, two from Italy, one from Hungary, one from Greece. We are 6 organization, 10 euro per years. That means 1.33.
That is what we are talking about.
Now,
1.5
Now
166.
let's do like this morning. So half point, one, like this morning for the logo. The two Romanian organization.
No. Logo was finished.
Yeah, I know.
He's talking about.
But now, for every year, we must pay 1.66 euro. It's a huge amount.
Yeah.
Per year. We will buy a domain in Romania, and we make a link for this eumagazine.com because we don't want our work to disappear after 2 years or 3 or
Yeah,
4.
either.
We
Yes.
can, for example, in Italy we can offer com.org.net. So three different kinds.
Yes, but
And these are the most important commercial and biggest website for information. Usually, when I have to, I want to know something about I want to know something. Usually, I write like .com.net.
yes, yes.
I think it's the
But
best.
if you don't pay 1 month after you don't pay this domain disappears.
Yeah, but for example, for the Italian case, it's included in the costs. We have like a cost for the website, the entire cost, and we included it in the costs, in the entire costs. So for the website,
Okay,
you know?
we don't discuss about cost.
Yeah, for us is included, so it's not a problem.
It's okay. Okay, but in Italy you have for life domain. If you pay for domain with .it.
No, also it's .com, .net, .org. It's the same, it's not .it.
Okay. No problem. We don't disagree with you, but we want to remain our work after years, and in this situation we will buy a domain with .ro. Because in Romania it's for life. How
It's the same EU magazine.
But
we pay this huge amount, 1.66 euro per year. 10 years or maybe 20 isn't a big amount.
You can reserve eumagazine.ro.
Yes,
The same.
I'm agree with this domain, but we in Romania we will buy and same domain but with .rl. But isn't your problem, it's our problem and okay. You are agree with eumagazine.com Hungary?
Yes.
Yes? Italy?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Greece? Okay, we are agreed to. We will pay every organization €1.66. Okay, it's a huge amount. Second, how?
Coffee. Second.
Okay.
Like to do like the banner with the political
I guess we
apple.
shouldn't be
So
political.
yeah, but so if someone wants to write about the we decided this because the elections, you know, like so if someone wants to write about political things, but not in a not like in a neutral or
Yeah, in a neutral
Yeah.
way. Yeah.
so
More about let's vote.
like
for
just
example,
yeah,
and so
let's go.
Okay, okay. How many languages do you want to have on the site, on our site?
English.
English.
Just one English?
Yes.
It's very simple site.
It's
very
very
simple. It's very
European
simple
concept.
site.
Depends on the content.
Yeah, it's not the language, it's the matter, I guess, the content.
You
The matter
can
is the
have written
articles.
content or videos.
You are agree with just one language?
Yes. What other options do we have?
We-
We have the four languages: Romanian, Greek, Hungarian. And
Yes, yes. And
But,
five
but
languages English.
the magazine concerns the whole Europe, not only the four.
Yes, that means
Or you
that
can, or you can maybe, I'm thinking about this now, you can write in English and if someone of the pattern wants to translate,
Yeah, that's what I was talking
it's
about.
up to you. If you want to
yes,
I was talking
and
about.
this is why I propose you to have four section like language, because in the corner of the site we could put five flags here, and you could change the languages, and I think it's better.
But the problem is that if you change to Hungarian, everybody will think that all the articles could be written in Hungarian, and we don't translate every article into Hungarian, so it will be a csalódás.
No, I don't
Disappointment for
think
them.
that if Romanian enter on this site, decide to choose another language than English
No,
or
no,
Romanian, for
wait.
example.
No, Dan, it's telling about, if we put like the four languages, it's a nice idea, but if you write an article in Romanian, I need to translate in Italian.
No, it's a compulsory because we
we
can
have to,
explain.
we have to, because if the news is in Italian, the other people from Hungary, it's right, and from Spain as well, they need to know the same news in their language. So, it's
Four
the,
languages.
so that's why we decided
So
to.
Romanian will only read the Romanian news.
No, but we
You have
can
to
do
get
like
every
this.
20 or every 30 article will
Look,
be
look,
Romanian.
like this.
Okay, yeah,
Same.
you know what it is.
Yeah.
That this website is not a magazine. It's okay. It has content. Everything is translated to Turkish,
But the
Romanian.
article is in six languages.
In three languages, Turkish language, English and Romanian. It's same. We could make same.
No, Dan, I think that, for example, if a French guy wants to read this magazine, and he can do, why is not my language,
Yeah.
it's not a magazine? Or a Portuguese as well. Why my
Hungarian is there, but French is now.
So it's not, correct, it's not right. You can do in your link if you want to translate, it's up to you. But we can't translate every article in every language.
Okay.
Because I
But
need
it's
to like.
possible to have all the options.
But if you want to translate,
Translate the options, not the articles. I mean, culture or sports or.
Yeah, of course, we have this menu.
Oh, okay, so.
It's okay.
So
So
Is
if
it possible to have all the articles in all languages?
no.
So,
You will, if there is 50 articles every week, you will translate it to Greek?
not of course.
No.
Who is going to do this?
So we offer, for example,
That's what I'm talking about.
for example, in our course, we offer the translation, but it's in our course. So it's up to you if you want to.
If you want to translate, you can. There will be an article, and it will be maybe said that below you can also read it in Romanian. And okay, I'm Romanian, oh, it's better for me, I will read it in Romanian. But that's the all I guess we can do. So
Okay, just English.
Just finish it, but
It's very easy for IT people who make this site. If it's just in the one language.
in English, but if you want, if you want, for example, I told you, if in our course there is also Italian, so if you want, you can choose by yourself. If you want to write another because you know it's a lot of work.
no, I just I don't have a basic
Okay. Just in English. Chris, just in English, not another language.
Sorry, you're right.
Okay. Just in English. Just in English. Right. Simple.
Yeah.
Just in English.
English to be also translated. Also read it,
Okay.
But
What is
maybe for Romanian it's quite difficult to write in English an article.
Romanian.
For Romanian people it's quite difficult to write in English an article. So maybe.
No.
No?
It's same. It's like everywhere.
No, because writing is different, you know,
No.
from speaking.
Like
If you write an article, you have to, you know, I can't talk like this, okay, yes, okay.
You have more time.
No.
As well.
We think that your children, I think that your children will learn first Italian.
Yes,
I think so. It's possible.
yes, of
Okay.
course.
In this situation, I think that it's okay to keep our languages.
You can translate, yes, yeah, you can keep it.
Not
yeah.
just English. Probably tomorrow we will learn Chinese language. What is your proposal about the subside?
Sorry, concerning the language, what we decide? What we decide?
It's just in English.
Just
It's
English,
okay.
and whoever wants can translate.
Can translate, yeah. If you read an article in
Chinese,
Chinese,
and I think this is the interesting.
Not
community.
just writing it, you know, so that's the point. So everybody can translate everything.
Okay, we could change between us information, articles without payment something for the author, but we must mention the author as because he creates this article. The author, we must keep his name to the creator of the article must name. Okay. Okay, Benson, it's your proposal for the site?
Yeah.
Okay.
This, actually I contacted the programmer of this, who did this website. And so, okay, so here you see there are menus, as I said, gastronomy, culture, so on. There is main article here. There are short article here. Okay, we can go down.
Alina, am nevoie de sprijinul lui Cătălin. Am nevoie de sprijinul lui Cătălin să contrazică și Pe unde? Ce faci?
So it's a quite modern website.
Păi spune-i, te rog, vezi că pe scări atunci mai repede.
It also has a Facebook sharing button. So because we think that because this website was this website was invented 2 years ago in Hungary, and they have now 120,000 daily visitors. 120,000.
Poți să ne arăți acolo câți vizitatori are?
You can show us some stats.
Păi pe site trebuie să trafic.
Yeah, I guess nézzünk már pár híret. That's for example this.
How many people work for this?
I don't know, but I guess less than 10. I guess about 5, 6.
And
You remember Fanny last
Yes.
time in Rome? She works for this magazine.
how much money she receives for
For salary? Or what? I didn't ask for her. So, menjünk rá valamilyen hírre. Ja igen, akkor this is about festivals, for example. So, and there are a lot of pictures, and this magazine is just publishing positive news, no economical, no politics, just positive news in connection with
So
Hungary.
that's why there's so
Have
many
you got included antivirus or spam? Yeah, it's important for a European website because you have to. It's important that you have
but they
antivirus.
don't communicate with customer. They don't communicate. And if they don't communicate, they haven't spam. Spam is just
In our proposal, you can communicate if you want. If you want to write me an email and ask me, can I write it on your website? I can say yes or no.
Yes, but you put some good to stop some words, bad words.
I don't see, sorry.
It's a soft to stop bad language, for example.
No, it's not. No.
And this,
It's
and this soft means wood like rubber.
Yeah.
O să tăiați,
But
nu?
if, for example, if it's like
O să mă tăiați la
a
montaj.
common newspaper, a common magazine, web
Exact,
magazine,
exact.
a lot of spam can arrive, can email, a lot of spam, and we have also.
But you could stop with something image to change time to time.
That's why we have anti-spam and anti-virus as well, because it's really, hacker, you can go around and
So I contacted the programmer of who did this website. They are not very cheap, so maybe you will have cheaper offers. So they offered a main proposal that contains mostly what we see, the menus, the admin site where we can upload, delete, modify articles, and also some graphics which we propose. And it was 1,500 euros. And they also give optional proposals for we can have a comment box, for example, or we can put advertising banners, and if we need it, but it's optional. This is about more 500 euros.
So that one that you show me is worth 200.
Yeah, but it's with the optional. It's 2,450. But it's with the optional with this advertisement banners, which is we don't need at present, I guess.
Okay, and is there like an update?
Sorry. Without this is the
We
basic.
can have sponsor, so we don't pay. Sponsor.
Ezeket a statisztikákat kérdezték,
Aha. Yeah. So it says that they have 100,000 visitors per day, and they have monthly 1.2 million visitors, and they 90% came from Facebook, and that is very important. And this, I told you that this site was invented 2 years ago, and they advertised it in mostly in Facebook. And Facebook is very, I don't use it very often, and I don't know how it works really, but they said it's very efficient to get visitors who are directed to this website from the Facebook.
Yes.
So we should also make a Facebook, I guess, for the
You can show us admin panel.
I can't.
And how they count the visitors and
I don't know. Maybe
Maybe
that's very
Google,
funny.
No, they must have some traffic. No, you haven't?
Sorry?
Traffic, for traffic.
Where can I find it? On the website?
Yes, on your site you must have some traffic.
analytics account.
I can ask Fanny, who was in the last meeting. She couldn't
Down.
come
I
now.
don't think.
But
Down, they must have some.
Azt kérdezik, hogy számolják meg az italokat?
to the Google.
Google.
A Google számolja.
I guess Google
Statistics.
counts it. Yeah.
No, they must have some traffic to
No,
count.
I don't know, sorry.
Customer.
To that the truth I don't know. So, but I don't think they are lying.
But we have to add the price of the domain. This.
Oh, just the website. The domain is.
Yeah, but we have to add the domain
Azért van, mert nem hiszek én.
at this price, of course.
The price of the domain.
You have to pay for the domain.
Domain, I guess it's separate. We will pay for the domain, the Hungarian thing. It's not a thing.
Separate program.
So this
Separate
10 euros compared to this, we should divide this, of course, if we choose this programmer. But 10 euros we shouldn't divide it because it's peanuts. So
The domain name is a complete
Yeah,
it's
separate
very different.
problem.
Of course, I asked this programmer company to reserve the domain because they also do this. They did it, but it's totally a different business. So that's ours. What is this?
Is there like a chat services or something like that, you know?
Traffic report. You Dear what?
Maybe it's less.
Yeah, just optimizing the website. And you have also a webmaster who constantly
Yeah,
works.
that was Fanny was talking about.
Yeah.
That's, I guess we never thought about it really. That she said it's very important to have.
Yeah, and there are exactly.
And that's I guess that's our biggest problem because if you would like a webmaster who you can reach every time,
Yeah,
because
exactly.
the website can collapse at any time. It's you should pay for somebody.
Yeah,
Because
and-
I guess nobody will do it voluntarily, and that's the problem. For example, mostly after the project has finished, because the 10 euro is a peanuts, but pay I don't know 200 euros to somebody who is a webmaster and who constantly
Yeah,
checks
because
in.
we have a
That's the cost.
constantly webmaster checking everything. Yeah, is it really?
That can be, yeah.
Google-ra van itt egy kár, mindenki csak
Szóval
saját
azt gondolom,
oldalához érhető.
We
Meg
could
kell mutatni, hogy működik.
we have possibility to.
We have a webmaster. Yeah, we have it in Italy.
We have two, but
So, but no, it's for everybody. It's for every partner, you know. We have one and it checks everything every week.
Nem tudja megnézni.
So it's really important that all the materials from every partner comes.
You put it can happen that you put an article into it, and then something the website just collapses.
Yeah,
and,
that's
and
The webmaster
you need a
is
webmaster who goes,
It's really
okay,
important.
it collapsed, okay, I check it. Or
So we agree about this.
Yeah, but I don't know
The
the
price.
solution. Yeah, I don't know the price, and you it won't be 10 euro per month. Right?
No, it will be
I work with computer from 1989. Please believe me.
If you can make it, okay.
I understood.
Okay, I didn't know that you are an IT specialist.
So we have like our costs are a little bit more, but we have well, the main
Okay, put on the paper what is your proposal.
if you want, like, I have a key, but you can't see, just
Több ilyen mondjuk a vizéhoz, egész webhez.
De mindig is azt mondjuk, hogy számolják meg ezek.
Szírt.
Ezek
Hogy számolják meg, mit tudom én.
Hát tudnál falni is van.
De hogyha ezt kérik, akkor kér.
Meg tudjuk, meg.
PDF-ben
Meg,
egy
aha, ezért printeljék ki a screen-t, hogy ezért... Aha, vagy jó, na ezért mondom, én nem értek hozzá, tehát is bejelöljük nekik.
Azért van, mert nem viszi el, azért van.
De most így látszik, hogy nem egy érted egy olyan honlap, amiben az megjelölődik. Igen, még hirdetések is vannak rajta, hogy már ebből írnál.
De miért? Azt hiszi, hogy ti csináljátok a honlapot, és rögtön
Nem érti, hát nem értenek angolul, nem értenek. De ezt vagy külön cég csinálja, ennek a szeretnek Magyarországon.
Fokhagymás csúszal föl.
Na mindegy. Én ennyit tudok hozzátenni, hogy most jönnek mások.
Ezt hiszek, az jó sik volt.
Most már megy a meccs.
Az?
Van egy tévé.
Hős vagy. Daniel?
Okay.
Let's start. The match is already going.
Yeah.
Costa Rica maybe scored the goal.
Come on. So, this is our done. Okay. This is our course, and can you, as you can read, we are covering trading, layout, graphic design, logo, and website. And as you can read, creating homepage, creating pages with our history, our mission, the events, the news, and the project, our photos from every event. So the video can be also be possible to have a video gallery and contacts with Bense and Laura and links. Of course, Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, YouTube. Really important because, of course, young people live with social networks. So
Yeah.
And we can, of course, we have the webmaster that every time check, every week check all the stuff.
For how long?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. So it's not bad. That's why the proposal is different from yours. It's more expensive.
Yeah.
But you know that webmaster
Yeah.
costs a lot in Italy and in Hungary as well, because we check, yeah.
They are a lot.
So there are a lot of money, exactly. And also we already decided about the domain registration, because that is .com, so it's your
It's already, yeah.
yeah.
Cool, but that is a small piece.
Yeah, small piece, yes. Also Linux hosting, because there is unlimited space. That's really important when you put the article, so you can write as many things you want. This is unlimited space. Usually you can't have unlimited space on this kind of web. And this database is really important as well, because I can't remember, wait, just for me. Just wait.
Andrei,
Thank you.
Andrei.
Just wait.
Database format.
Is this kind of is the most popular database open source. I read because I'm not able to. Yeah, because it's like it's webmaster thing. So based on SQL languages that deals the management of the file in order that speed up the access. So it's more faster if you use this kind of database. And you can also, if you decide, for example, for Romanian, if you decide to translate in Romanian, you can have also different windows on the same, and it's faster. So So the speed access is faster, and you can also modify and insert all new items. And of course, the most important thing is the speed. So, and then this is important as well because it's backup. So in event of crash or something, we can save all the article for Dan with 5 years.
Normal, backup is normal. Everywhere backup must be.
And we have also unlimited email. And
Email for what?
if you want to communicate, for example, with our organization, it's really important.
But we communicate, we have possibility.
Not for example, for the if a teenager wants to ask something about Bensei, for example, or about me, I want to know about, I want to know something about the election, I want to know something about the election or something.
You could create email on this website.
Yes, of course.
But why I must have another email, a new email?
No, this is just for the website.
Yes, I
This is just because we're talking.
I understand perfectly, but why I must start a new email? Because on this site we could register it on the server or of this site. We could register a lot of emails. Okay, but why
because this is the official one, so the webmaster can, plan everything from here, and it's important to have just one, not to have many of us. So they can't just one email. So if you want to communicate, or if you want, for example, to have a link for in Facebook or something, it's really important. I can't put every Spain, Italian.
Email for administrator, it's normal.
No, it's not. It's not email for the administrator. It's the email for the website. So
for administration.
Yeah, of course. But not for the administration. It's not a private mail. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then we have the antivirus and anti-spam. And in this price, we have also the procedural advice on publication of information and articles or news to be published on the portal. Will be provided from the customer as well, not for the partners. If a customer wants to, for example, write an article, he can ask to this mail if they can put on the website. That's really important. It's like a kind of interactive thing. So, and the costs are like 53 no.
Sounds bad.
That's cheap.
No, 53 euro per month each partner, of course. The total cost is 2,050, of course, for 1 year for divided for 6 partners. So it's like 625 each for everything, webmaster and webmaster and everything. So I think that 625
Hosting, web service.
each partner.
That is the guy who fixed the website if it collapses. Hosting web service.
No, it's not. No. It's included in this week VAT, because we have VAT 22% in Italy. Is it your?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Really? In Hungary it's 27, but no, I'm asking that.
No, it's in this one. I can't. Is it in
That's creation of the website.
Yeah.
And hosting web service, what does it mean for 1 year?
For 1 year, it's like. Wait, I'm not sure about this because they send me a lot of things about.
I guess we should.
Yeah, we have also Facebook, and we have also. Yeah, you can check mail. You can check. The webmaster has already worked on a European project. Then the webmaster has already worked on a European project. So you know that for European project web magazine, we need like high quality standard. So he already worked on it. So that's why he told us, no, I want money.
But
to-
You don't put cost for ISO. You don't put cost for ISO 14,000. Quality standard.
ISO.
ISO, yeah.
Yes.
It's all included in 2000. So. What's
a joke?
I know, but
What's a joke?
Because, well, actually, it should be free if a webmaster, if he already worked for a web.
Sorry?
It's very nice.
No, I'm not listening to that. Leave it alone, man.
So, if you have any other proposal, Romania or Spain?
Spain? Greece.
Greece.
I'm sorry, Greece.
With the Spanish.
Similar. Do you
Dan,
want
do
to
you have
have?
any?
No.
No. Okay.
Dan, do you have any? Alina?
How you evaluate the proposal?
I like it. I just would like to show some exact web pages that
Okay.
they made.
Okay, so no, we can't have the exact page, of course, because like you don't have the exact web pages. You just
As a reference.
it's like yours anyway, because I saw like on the internet, but of course they didn't work for us. If we don't pay, we don't want to.
No,
No, I'm
their
taking
work.
examples that they
Yeah.
made in the past.
Okay.
Reference.
Reference.
It's like an interactive pages, and I don't have the link now. Sorry, but it's
But
like.
they don't, this company doesn't have a website where they list their
He has a
previous
website.
works.
He has a website. Yeah. We can.
Not this manorre.com or
Yeah, it's madonie.com. Yeah.
can we?
But
Yeah.
But don't you have reference?
Like I said, that program guide is that Hungarian website.
Yeah.
It's one reference.
this is of course. This guy made the website.
Could you show them?
The European community. I have known. That's why I called Laura, but she doesn't answer because I have no with me.
She's here maybe.
So no, that's why.
Okay, I guess.
No, I'm really sorry about her, but she's sick, so anyway.
We never saw her.
Because she was here.
She's sick, so
She's like Colombo's
Dog.
I'm really sorry because you know what you're talking about health is not nice, so make
Yeah.
jokes.
Yeah, but
You know, just
Maybe she had bronchitis again.
sure this is.
No.
Madonna's website.
It's not.
Very nice website. De vajon azt megegyeztek?
Anyway, you partner.
De 20 ötlet írt oda.
Az 2000.
2000 az.
Ja.
You can see, okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Jó, csak
So you pay for here each year. We pay month is 52 euro per month. If you want to divide it for month for every organization, it's 50 euro. For here is 6 to 5 partner, each partner. So it's not expensive, honestly.
No, but it's still a cost, and it's just a cost for us.
But it's like, yes, of course, for everybody as a cost.
Yeah, that's why we should take it seriously and make good websites so maybe we can have some advertisers. Yeah, and
You know.
you don't have to pay for it because the advertisement.
Of course, we're not going to pay. If we find like sponsor, of course, we don't pay.
Yeah,
And
but
we have
first
some.
we have to get thousands of visitors.
Because we are six or six, it's 32. It's this for part.
It's a bonus.
Yes, but with VAT. With VAT.
With VAT, yeah, exactly.
VAT is double.
Not double, but
Couldn't
22%.
Is VAT is 22. That means
It's
420, 40. 440.
Excuse me, we are.
At this amount.
No,
22
this is the amount. The total amount for here. This is the total amount for here.
Okay, or
Total.
22. That means.
This is with VAT included.
Yes, but we
Yeah.
if we have this VAT, that means 550. 550. That means together
300.
3,000.
No, it's included. No, sorry, excuse me, the VAT is
Deci
included
dacă
in
mulțim
what goes
625 ori 6,
VAT is included. Catalin, VAT is included in
Yes,
here.
but he divides this amount at 6. That means 400 for each partner, 400 and.
doesn't work. No?
I didn't follow.
It doesn't work.
Yeah,
Per partner,
no,
because we have
Facebook
6
page
partners.
of this
Yeah, so it's less.
site is
Yes.
not.
Yes, of course, better.
But
Thank you, Catalin.
But it's
less, but it's too expensive.
No, it's not
For
too
us, for
expensive.
us.
We have everything. We have everything. It's not expensive. Come on. If you see like the cost for, I don't know in Romania, but it's not expensive for webmaster and social network and.
What does it mean? So if the website collapsing, they are fixing it in how many hours? So
Like is constantly like once a week constantly add things and check all the things and stuff. And if it collapses, if it collapses, I think that it's like 1 hour. Everything is okay. Usually, I have a webmaster as well in my job, and in 1 hour everything is. And then we have also the backup. So of course we have also the backup, so nothing will never lose.
Why don't we use a simple WordPress template and that's it?
Sorry?
WordPress template.
WordPress.
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 Yes.
You mean WordPress, not website?
No, it's website. No. It's WordPress. It's a website. It's a website creator website.
It's a content management system.
I think.
Yes, but you can buy a template for like one price.
Yes,
and
but if you want to modify it,
Yeah, exactly.
it's
If
too
you want to
hard.
modify, yeah.
It's not hard. I can modify it.
Modify.
I mean, it's not that hard, and it's so easy. I mean, it's cheap, and we can create any kind of
You
template.
can give an example.
Yeah.
Just type WordPress.com, and you can have so many examples. I mean, they have so many websites.
I think that we have to choose about this too. So if we want to have decision now, we have to decide this thing. Or if you don't want to have decision, we will see the next meeting.
No, the problem is that
But it's so simple.
in this project that I guess nobody is really a specialist on online
Yes, of
media.
course.
Not you, not
Yeah.
me, and neither everybody.
Yes.
And that is the problem, and that is why we are sometimes understanding that
The best thing would be like to do like with the webmaster, and you can tell him and ask everything, but I'm not a webmaster, so honestly, I'm sorry.
Okay, I have created many websites, and I have worked already managed.
Yeah,
I have already managed two online magazines for years. So, but it's okay. I mean, it's so simple to use a WordPress template. It's so easy.
This company where I got the proposal also said we can also make this work. I don't know how it does it work. That is why it's the problem that I'm not a specialist in online media, you neither, nobody is here. Maybe Fruji has the biggest experience. The problem is that I don't know if she will continue with this project with us, but because really it's there are templates. For example, my organization has a website, and my wife is not an IT specialist, but she found a website creator and made a template for free.
Also, Giovanni Books have a website. Maybe you have seen, but you know it's different for a magazine, for a web magazine.
Yeah, but a web magazine should be really, really user friendly.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, can you like have so many links and anti-spam and free email, like antivirus, everything?
Sure. It's just the structure.
So why did you
is
make
easy
it
to
the
manage.
cost? Why did you make the? If you can do with no costs, why did you?
I mean, there is one cost when you buy the template for once.
Yeah, but and webmaster.
It doesn't contain webmastering, yeah.
No.
It just
It's included.
No.
No.
You include this VAT or not?
We include, but we don't include webmastering,
No.
which is included in there.
So we have.
No.
If you don't want the webmaster, we have a different. price.
Webmastering, how much is
No
it?
one.
I don't ask sorry for it. I didn't.
You could call.
Tomorrow, I guess, because today is.
Okay. It's finished. We will finish the day because we haven't
Yeah,
made
I
offer from.
So what do you need? Reference and the price without webmaster.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes,
because
but
Do you want
webmaster could be another 1,500, and in this situation you are lower than them. If they come with 1,500 euro webmastering, you be
They can't
paid.
come because it's not included.
Yeah, it's not included.
It's not included.
Yes, not included, but if they add for web administration 1,500 is more
Expensive.
than you.
Okay. Okay. But do you need a webmaster or no? Just asking. So if you don't want the webmaster,
Who make this web?
so that's.
We because nobody.
So it's really boring. It's really boring work because I saw in the office.
Yes, but somebody must work for this. Somebody must work and
But
he must receive.
are you sure?
He must complete the offer. And tomorrow morning,
With the webmaster.
will coming and with.
Hopefully, if I can reach the guy.
And I will tell you without webmaster if you don't need a webmaster, and we up to you.
We need that. It's not a question, I guess.
It's
how much is your?
It's included.
Yes, but
Everything.
webmaster is 500.
I don't know exactly. I can't remember exactly.
Okay.
So,
But you had three division. You had three lines at the
Yes,
end of
you
your.
could.
At the end of your proposal.
Yes.
With 1 year something, so we can maybe calculate it from there.
I don't know if
Așa este tot inclusiv în Comisia Europeană.
I think it's like.
And you were not able to show it all with the website.
Yes, we are able, but with another price.
So maybe it's not
Cheaper.
Tell us.
We wait your complete
No. Let's go. No, you can go on. You can go on, and then we can choose tomorrow morning. So I want to close this.
With webmaster, with web administration, with all.
Also,
We don't pay VAT and 1,200 euros.
Why don't you pay it? Why don't you pay VAT?
It's because it's association. Because we started in this project because we are all human resources to
And if you are a
complain.
non-profit organization, you don't have to pay VAT in Romania.
Yes.
Okay.
VAT just the companies. Just
Okay.
companies.
So it's 1,200.
200.
And
yes.
what does it contain?
All what you miss. We did,
But
yes.
you have like a course, like me and Bente did, like a paper.
For all.
No, a paper, not like this, like him, like from a company.
All this 1,200 company.
Yeah. Can you-
Our association make.
But
Yeah.
so they do the menus, the Actually, your association do it.
Yes.
So are you a webmaster?
Yes.
Oh, so you can tell before.
I wait your offer. Look, in this project, we couldn't participate if we don't have human resources inside in our association.
So,
do you think that you could pay to another company to make this site? I don't believe so.
why not?
Who is the customer for this invoice? For this invoice, for example.
The customer.
The customer.
We are the customers.
No.
The partners.
The name of customer. I complete the invoice. This is the name of web.
No, it's divided between 6 partners, and I also have the
Okay. When Abruzzo come inside this project, your association start in this project because you have all human resources to solve this problem.
Yeah.
You don't have budget to pay another people in this project.
You can have budget.
No.
Yes, of course, you have.
No. Please believe me. Ask your national agency, and the people from your national agency have a good answer for you. You haven't budget for this.
You mean it's not illegal to spend money?
Yes.
No,
It's not
true. Absolutely.
It's not
No, it's not
eligible.
true. It's not true.
It's not eligible. This cost.
No.
In Romania, our national agency don't agree
It's
to.
your national agency, but
Yes.
ours says every cost that is used in
Every
there is
cost
a-
Exactly.
with transport.
No.
With
But then these rules are different in
Yeah.
countries.
Okay.
Your national agency
Okay.
has different rules. Ours has different rules. Believe us that we
It's
are.
possible.
It's absolutely legal for us to spend on this money.
Okay.
And we can spend on everything. We have to only justify that it was necessary in order to get the final result. Believe us, because
Okay.
it's not our first Grundtvig project.
It's same for us.
Okay.
It's first,
So,
but we
and
have
I
a
believe,
project.
and I believe that you have different rules, and believe us.
Yes,
we will-
it's normal. It's normal.
So, and we have also the Facebook and Yahoo,
Yes,
YouTube.
connection with YouTube, with Facebook, it's very easy to make it.
And you have references for websites?
No, but we in 1 week, Ben, in 1 week, we could present what we have now, but in 1 week we
So-
present.
Okay, in 1 week I will represent also the references. If I can't contact Laura, it's not my
Okay,
fault.
so we will not now
not
conclude that the
references is
website.
very
No, it's
important
included.
because
It's everything
if
included.
No,
for
conclude.
example you
Examine a conclusion on this side.
compulsory. Okay.
Okay,
No. Speak
it's
to the-
okay, continue, sorry.
But that's not your core business, I guess, to creating websites, because I believe in market, and I believe that everybody has to do but their profession. And if you are a web programmer, you are doing web programming, that you are creating websites. That's not your core business, to creating websites.
My business,
Yes.
but people in our association
So-
work with this.
So do they have reference websites that they
Yes.
did in the past? Okay.
Eu mănânc, de
If
exemplu,
you have it, but just I would
unde
like
e
to see
Andrei?
at least.
Eu mănânc un gros, așa de alt exemplu ăla cu rotind
And we
Okay.
also make an admin site where, for example, we and Italian Greeks have the right to upload articles.
Yes, of course.
Not just you, but
Not-
we also
not-
get
not with-
password
with-
and
yes,
admin
yes,
users.
yes, with title, with content, with everything.
Do you have any website where there are photos, videos, or
With
something like
videos.
similar to a magazine?
Du-te pe un din ăsta deschis, unde spuneai că nu-i... Du-te înapoi și du-te pe unul care e deschis, cu care au poze, au... Du-te pe unul așa. Ok, pe oricare dintre ele.
No, wait.
So, as that.
Și du-te pe ele, pentru că pe ele au poze. Nu, du-te pe pizza, pe salate, pe orice. Așa, du-te pe una. Nu are. Du-te la un alt restaurant unde are. Caută.
For a second try.
It's the same for us.
I always choose a supplier who has good references on